Russia is boasting of deadly missiles that can be fired 375 miles with pinpoint accuracy from deep below the ocean. A test launch has been carried out of the Caliber missiles from a submarine under the Barents Sea. Vladimir Putin's multi-purpose nuclear submarine carried out the strike at a distance of around 375 miles. A naval spokesman said, the crew carried out a combat exercise from an underwater position in a combat training range of the Northern Fleet in the Barents Sea. The launch was carried out with specified accuracy, said the fleet. The test follows claims by the Pentagon last year that 4 Caliber missiles from warships in the Caspian Sea went astray, crashing into fields of cows in Iran. Ukraine has claimed that Russia's Caliber missiles have been deployed on warships stationed in Crimea, the peninsula annexed by Putin in 2014. The submarine is shown on the surface before diving to make the missile strike.